Hello students, exponents, 12th video. Now the problem is find the value of x where minus 3 whole power x plus 1 into minus 3 whole power 5 equal to minus 3 power minus 4. Minus 3 power x plus 1, this is one expression, multiplying by minus 3 power 5, another expression, equal to, if you are multiplying these two expressions, then you can get minus 3 whole power minus 4. This is the relation has given. From this relation, we need to find out the value of x. Find the value of x here. Solution. Given equation, I written here. Just minus 3 whole power x plus 1. Observe that minus 3 whole power x plus 1 into minus 3 whole power 5 equal to minus 3 whole power minus 4. Once observe the bases here. Minus 3, here base minus 3 and here also base minus 3, base is equal. Here, if you are taking LHS, 3 power x plus 1 into minus 3 power 5. This is LHS. Here base is equal and these two terms are under the multiplication. What is the rule we are applying here? Base is equal and powers different. That is a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. First apply the rule for the LHS. LHS is in the form of a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Base is equal and it is the multiplication, then you can add the powers. Now, if you are comparing these two, LHS and this one, a equal to, base is minus 3, m is x plus 1, n is 5. What is the result here? A power m plus n. So substitute the values in the given a power m plus n. That is minus 3 whole power x plus 1 into minus 3 whole power 5 equal to, that is base is equal. So minus 3, a value is minus 3, a power m plus n, that is a is minus 3, m plus n, m is x plus 1 and n is 5. A power m plus n. Now x plus 1 plus 5, that is 1 plus 5 is 6. Then minus 3 whole power x plus 6. That is the LHS. So total LHS converted into minus 3 whole power x plus 6. Substitute that value in the LHS. That is minus 3 whole power x plus 6 equal to RHS is minus 3 whole power minus 4. Here, if you are observing LHS and RHS, base is equal, then you should equate the powers. That is base is equal and then equate the powers. What is the power here? First term x plus 6 and second term minus 4. So here power is x plus 6 and here power is minus 4. After equating and transposing, so transpose plus 6 to this side plus converted into minus. So that is x equal to minus 4 plus 6 converted into minus 6. So these two numbers are having the same sign. You should add it. That is, what is the resultant sign? Minus. So that is minus. 4 plus 6 is 10. So given sign is minus. That is why x equal to minus 10. This is the x value. And whatever the expression is there, we are having the rules. So you should decide that it is which rule is suitable for the given problem. Then you should simplify, apply that rule. After that you should simplify the problem. Then you can easily get the answer. So now I done the verification here. Same problem. So we got the x equal to minus 10 value. So verification. So once look at here, I substituted the x value in the given equation. What is x value? X equal to minus 10. Substitute x equal to minus 10. So where we got it? The previous problem. So of the solution we got the x equal to minus 10. Substitute the value x equal to minus 10 in the given expression. That is minus 3 whole power x plus 1. Here only x is there. So that is why in place of x I substituted minus 10. Rest of the terms are same. That is minus 10 plus 1 into minus 3 whole power 5 equal to minus 3 whole power minus 4. Now simplify. Minus 10 plus 1. That is minus 9. Minus 10 plus 1 is minus 9. Two numbers are having the opposite signs. When opposite signs are there, you should subtract it. That is 10 minus 1 equal to 9. Resultant should get the sign of the greatest number. 10 and 1. What is the greater number? 10. So what is the sign of it? Minus. So that is why I written minus 9. Rest of the terms are same. And here this is in the form of a power m into a power n. Then that is a power m plus n. So next minus 3 whole power minus 9 plus 5. Minus 9 plus 5 is two opposite signs. 9 minus 5 is 4. And resultant is the big one sign, that is minus 4. So minus 3 whole power minus 4 equal to, here also LHS is, RHS is same, minus 3 whole power minus 4. So when LHS and RHS are equal, so it is the correct answer, then it is verified. This is the process of the verification. Okay students, after listening to this video, practice the problems here. This small modification I done here. Once observe the problem carefully and do the problem. Find the value of x minus 2 whole power x plus 1 into minus 2 whole power minus 5 equal to minus 2 whole power minus 4. Next one, find the value of x minus 3 whole power minus x plus 1 into minus 3 whole power 5 equal to minus 3 whole power minus 4. Next one, different problem. Already in this model I explained in the basics of algebra. Then revise that video and you can do the problem. If m equal to 3 and n equal to 2, find the value of, first one 9m square minus 10n cube. Second one 2m square n square. In this case what to do? So m value and n value, substitute these two values in the given problem. Simplify it and whatever the solution is there, you should write it down. So these are the practice problems. So listen to that video. Students, this is a very important problem, long answer question. And if you are having any doubts, you can contact. Thank you students.